Money the powerful demon. Money the evil paper. Money the ungoogly coin. Money the unholy number. Money the immoral spirit. The word money is a sinful word. For how long? How long should we stay in this world? How many employs should be done in order all people to understand how precious someone's life is in this world? God, please create a new holy world, because this one is full of demons. This one has no love without banknote. This one has no life without funds. This one has no smile without capital. This one has no future without finance. Since you came around, I have noticed that people who we attempt to love, they take it for granted. Since you came around, I have noticed that people who we trust the most, they are the ones who betray us just to have you. I just wish to go back in the earliest years just to explore the difference between now and the past. Now in these days, the youngsters are willing to do whatever it takes just to see their parents happy. And there is no other way to do that without wealthy. Today we are willing to lose it all just to have you by our side, because we believe in you even though you come and go. Sometimes you embarrass us, but we don't give up on chasing you, because we are nothing without you. I believe you are the reason for everyone's success. Our future is locked and you are the key to open. We are willing to face any challenges just to have your cleanse in our direction, because you are the only thing we need in life, because you are the reason why everyone smiles. Our lives has no direction without you. That's why we need you every time in order to escape poverty. Yes, they say money with no money life still goes, but in the hard way. But good or bad, just stay motivated.